permutations, specific letters are to be placed in odd or even positions. Let's see the first question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word detail be arranged so that the vowels occupy only the odd places? What is our word here? Detail. How many letter word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-letter word. What are the positions here? 5, 6. What's the question? Vowels should occupy only the odd places. What are the vowels here? E, A and I are the vowels. What are the remaining letters? Those are consonants. So 3 vowels, 3 consonants we have. Now, question being asked is vowels occupy only the odd places. What are the odd places? 1, 3 and 5. 3 odd places we have, and we have 3 vowels. The 3 vowels should occupy the 3 odd places. That can be done in 3p3 ways. Into the even places 2, 4 and 6. The even numbered places should be occupied by the consonants. That can be done in 3p3 ways. Simply, it's 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 6 into 6 is 36. In 36 words, the vowels occupy the odd places. What did we do? Detail is a 6-letter word. We took 6 blanks. Here, we have numbered the places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, the odd places here are 1, 3, 5. The 3 odd places are filled with the 3 vowels. In how many ways? 3p3, that is 3 factorial ways. Into the 3 even numbered places should be filled with the consonants. That can be done in 3p3 ways. 3p3 is nothing but npn is n factorial. So 3p3 is 3 factorial. Into 3 factorial is 6 into 6, 36. Let's see the next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word machine be arranged so that the vowels may occupy only the odd positions? What is our word? Machine. How many letter word is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll take 7 blanks. 7. I'm going to number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the question? Vowels occupy. First, let's put the vowels aside. What are the vowels in this? A, I, E. What are the remaining letters? M, C, H, N. Vowels may occupy only the odd positions. What are the odd positions? 1, 3, 5, 7. And vowels are 3 vowels. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places to be filled by 3 vowels. That can be done in 4p3 ways. We have 4 odd places, but we have only 3 vowels. So it can be filled in 4p3 ways. So among the 4, 3 blanks are filled. We have 1 empty place. We have 1 empty place for the consonant. How many consonants can be placed? We can place a consonants in 2, 4, 6 and also 7 because 7 is not occupied. That can be done in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 places, 4 consonants. That will be 4p4. 4p3 is 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial is 1. 4p4 is 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24. 4 factorial is 24. 24 square is 576. Hope you got it. It is a 7-letter word. We took 7 blanks. Among them, Odd positions are 1, 3, 5, 7. But we have only 3 vowels which are to be filled in 4 blanks. 3 places are already filled. This is just an example. I can fill 3, 5, 7, then 1 will be empty, right? So we have 1 empty position in odd, right? And 3 empty positions in even numbered, right? So the 4 consonants have 4 places now. So that can be filled in 4p4 ways. 4p4 is 4 factorial, 4p3 is 4 factorial by 1 factorial, which will again be 4 factorial. 4 factorial into 4 factorial is 24 into 24. Our next question, in how many different ways can the letters of the word beautiful be arranged so that the vowels may occupy only the odd positions? Here, beautiful, the word contains some repetitive letters. Let's see how to solve this. Our word is beautiful. How many letter word is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a 9 letter word. Let me number them. Now, vowels. What are the vowels here? E, A, U, I, U. Vowels. U letter is being repeated twice. What are the remaining letters? B, T, F, L. Odd positions. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. We have 5 odd positions and we have 5 vowels. So 5 positions, 5 vowels. What will be the answer? 5p5 divided by 2 factorial. Because U is repeated twice. In the earlier questions, we didn't have repetitive letters. Here, because we are having repetitive letters, we need to write the denominator for the corresponding letter which is repeated. So, U is repeated twice, so I am writing 2 factorial into, what are the remaining positions? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 places are left to be filled with 4 letters. That can be done in 4p4 ways. As we know, 5p5 is 5 factorial, 4p4 is 4 factorial divided by 2. This is our answer. The next question on the screen, in how many different ways can the letters of the word select be arranged so that the vowels may occupy only the odd positions? Our word here is select. It is a 6 letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number them. 4, 5 and 6. Vowels. What are the vowels here? E and E. What are the remaining letters? S, L, C and T. Vowels may occupy odd positions. What are odd positions? 1, 3 and 5. We have 3 odd positions but only 2 vowels. That can be filled in 3p2 ways divided by E. The letter E is repeated twice. So we'll take it as 2 factorial into, the 3 odd places are filled with 2 vowels, right? One more place is empty now. So the remaining places are 2, 4, 6 and 1 from the odd positions, because if I place E here, 5 will be empty. So that empty one should be filled with consonant. Otherwise, if I take E and E here, this place will be empty. Got it? So this one empty place and these 3 even numbered empty places can be filled with the 4 letters. We have 2, 4, 6. 3 even numbered positions empty and 1 is empty under the odd positions, right? So in total 4 empty positions we have. So 4 empty places can be filled with 4 letters in 4p4 ways or 4 factorial ways. Now the answer will be 3p2 into 4 factorial. Hope you understood this. Taking the word select, it is a 6-letter word, so I took 6 blanks. Vowels should occupy odd positions. What are the vowels here? Double E. What are the odd positions here? 1, 3 and 5. So the 2 vowels can be placed in 3 positions in 3p2 ways, divided by 2 factorial because E is repeated twice into. Now among the 3 odd positions, 2 are filled by E and E. We have 1 remaining odd positions, right? Keep in mind. Then we have empty 2, 4, 6, that is empty even numbered positions, right? We had 1 remaining in odd positions along with 3 in the even positions. So in total we have 4 empty places to be filled by the 4 consonants. That can be done in 4p4 ways or 4 factorial ways. This will be your answer. Next question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word article be arranged so that the vowels may occupy only the even positions? Our word here is article. It is a 7-letter word. I am taking 7 blanks. 6, 7. Now number these. Yeah. What is the question being asked? Vowels. What are the vowels here? A, I and E. What are the remaining letters? R, T, C and L. Should occupy only the even positions. What are the even positions? 2, 4 and 6. Vowels. We have 3 vowels and 3 positions. So 3 positions can be filled by 3 vowels in 3 factorial ways into. What are the remaining? 1, 3, 5, 7. The odd positions are remaining. The 4 odd positions can be filled by the 4 consonants in 4 factorial ways. This will be your answer. The next question. How many different words can be formed with the letters of the word pencil when vowels occupy the even places? Our word here is pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. It is a 6-letter word. Take 6 blanks. Number them. What are the vowels here? E, I. What are the remaining letters? P, N, C, L. Vowels occupy the even places. What are the even places here? 2, 4 and 6. We have 2 vowels but 3 places. 2 vowels can be filled in 3 places in 3p2 ways. No denominator because no letter is repeated. So 3p2 ways into EI, only 2 letters. But 2, 4, 6, we have 3 places. So 2 letters can fit in 2 places. 1 more place will be remaining. 1 place remaining in the even positions and 1, 3, 5. 3 places are remaining in the odd positions. In total we have 4 empty places. Understood? 2 vowels can be placed in any of the 3 even places, right? So 2 letters will take up 2 places. 1 place is remaining. So 1 place is remaining under even and 3 places are remaining under odd positions. Okay, in total we have 4 vacant positions. Now 4 vacant places can be filled by the 4 letters in 4 factorial ways. This is going to be your answer. The next question. How many different words can be formed with the letters of the word awareness? when vowels occupy the even places. Our word here is awareness. It is a 9-letter word. I am taking 9 blanks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number them. The question. Vowels. What are the vowels here? A, E, E. We have 4 vowels, and in which A letter is repeated twice and E is repeated twice. The remaining set of letters are W, R, N, S, S. If you can see, even in the consonants we have S repeated twice. Make sure you write the denominator term first. Then vowels occupy the even places. What are the even places here? 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 4 places for the 4 vowels. That can be done in 4 factorial ways. Divided by A is repeated twice, so 2 factorial. E is repeated twice, 2 factorial. Into the odd positions 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 can be filled with the 5 letters in 5 factorial ways. Divided by S is repeated twice, so 5 factorial by 2 factorial. In these number of words, the vowels occupy the even places. This is the answer to your question. Just be careful because you are dealing with repetitive letters. Firstly, it is a 9-letter word. I am taking 9 empty places. The vowels, what are the vowels here? A, E, E. We have 4 vowels repeated twice. Next, what are the remaining letters? W, R, N, S, S. Here S letter is repeated twice. Even places. What are the even places? 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 4 even places for the 4 vowels. 4 factorial divided by A is repeated twice, so 2 factorial. E is repeated twice, 2 factorial into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 odd places. 5 odd places for the 5 letters. 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial because S is repeated twice. This is going to be our answer. The next question. How many different words can be formed with the letters of the word hello when vowels occupy the even places? Our word is hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-letter word. I am numbering the places. What is the question? Vowels. What are the vowels? E and O. What are the remaining letters? H, L, L. Even places. What are the even places? 2 and 4. How many vowels do we have? 2 vowels and 2 places. So 2 vowels can be placed in 2 places in 2 factorial ways. Into the remaining odd positions 1, 3 and 5. The 3 odd positions can be filled by 3 consonants in 3 factorial ways divided by. Don't forget this because L is repeated twice. So that will be 2 factorial. This and this gets cancelled. We are left with 3 factorial, which will be 6. Hello is a 5-letter word. I took 5 places, numbered the places. What are the vowels here? E and O. What are the even places? 2 and 4. 2 even places, 2 vowels can be filled in 2 factorial ways. Into we have 1, 3 and 5 odd positions for the consonants. So 3 places, 3 letters. That can be done in 3 factorial. Divided by L is repeated twice. So we have 2 factorial in the denominator. Both get cancelled. We are left with 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. So in 6 words, we have vowels occupying the even places. Let's see the next question. Thank you.